Hey guys, it's your girl in right, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm be doing a low sleek bun in my hair. I'm be using Eco, and I'm gonna be using some extreme gel, styling gel, and I'm gonna be using Got to Be Ultra Gel, styling gel. So yeah, and I'll be doing. Did I tell you I was doing a sleek bun? Okay, I'm doing a sleek bun, and let me take this out. Okay, so first what you want to do is get your comb and part the back from this side to that side. Yeah, part the back from this side to that side. And it doesn't matter if your part is crooked or is uneven, it does not matter, okay? Just part your hair. Because what you want to do is you want to section your hair off to like get the sleek bun right. So you want to get a scrunchie. Okay, now that you have your parts, you want to, well, me personally, I'm going to take some water and I'm going to comb it out because I want it to be puffy so it could look like a bun, I guess. I don't know, okay? I don't know what I'm going to do. What you want to do is you want to get your brush and just apply your gel to the back and get a scrunchie. Get your scrunchie. Okay. And you want to add your gel at the roots and brush it down. Okay, and it should look like this. I don't know if y'all saw that, but it should look like this, and you just keep on doing that. Okay, so what you do is you apply your gel to the roots and make sure it's slick and brush it down, and you keep doing that until you get to the top, okay? That's how it should look in the back. Yeah. So next what you do is, since we're at the top, yeah, we're at the top. Since we're at the top now, what you want to do, since we're creating a middle part, you want to go up like that, okay? Like that. Oh, I just probably scratched my forehead. Okay, so you want to go up and make your middle part. So let's do that. This is the best I can do. It's, I guess it's straight, I don't know. This is the best I can do, y'all. So now what you want to do is you want to part this side and you want to part the other side, but leave a piece in the back to where you can put into a sleeve bun. So now that we're at the top, you want to do this side, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing you did for the back, but you're gonna go like downwards with it. That's how you're gonna go downwards. Okay, so now what y'all want to do is y'all want to touch up the front because I need to touch up my front. And you can use an edge brush or a toothbrush. I personally like to use my toothbrush because the toothbrushes is just it. Okay, sis, it's it. So what you want to do is you want to touch up the front. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is it for the video, but I personally, whenever I do these sleek buns, I do not like to do my edges, okay, because I feel like it's just perfect the way it is, and I like it. Let me fix my necklace. I just think that it's perfect the way it is, and I like it like this. The only thing I do is like I put the little curls right here on my side, and yeah, that's it. And I hope that y'all have a great day today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all for watching my video. Peace.